So Etard oxidation or Etard reaction. Etard reaction is a reaction between aromatic methyl group or heterocyclic bound methyl group to an aldehyde using chromyl chloride. The French scientist who elaborated the reaction was Alexander Leo Etard. Toluene can also be used to oxidize the reaction via Etard mechanism, but we will see the chromyl chloride form of the Etard reaction. Now the reaction begins with an alkene allylic hydrogen reaction with chromyl chloride, forming a precipitate called the Etard complex, as you can see in the figure. The Etard complex is then decomposed with the help of a reducing environment to prevent the oxidation into carboxylic acid. This reducing environment is usually provided by a saturated solution of aqueous sodium sulfate. Carbon tetrachloride is very commonly used solvent for this method, but carbon disulfide CS2 and chloroform, they can also be used as solvents. Aldehydic products of very high purity can be obtained by purifying the Etard complex before its decomposition occurs. Now, Etard reaction mechanism. Let's see a little detailed mechanistic process. The reaction with chromyl chloride forming the precipitated Etard complex. This is the first step of the mechanism, as you can see in the figure. The precipitated Etard complex is decomposed. That is, the purification of the precipitate before decomposition gives a highly pure aldehydic product, and this occurs by a 2,3 sigmatropic rearrangement. Now, 2,3 sigmatropic rearrangement is a pericyclic reaction where the result is that one sigma bond is changed to another sigma bond via an uncatalyzed intramolecular process. Reducing conditions provided by saturated aqueous sodium sulfite prevents the further oxidation of Etard complex into carboxylic acid. As I have already told you, CCl4 is a very common solvent which can be used in this process. So this reaction provides a very easy method for the oxidation of also of toluene to benzaldehyde, which is utilized to add an almond flavor to foods and many cosmetic products, making it a valuable chemical. So therefore, due to sigmatropic rearrangement, obtaining aldehydic products from the reagents other than toluene, this proves slightly difficult. So generally, this is the usual mechanistic process which is followed for Etard reaction.